In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in MacBook macOS. So let's get started. For this, to the left we will be having the Apple logo. Select it and click on System Settings. In System Settings, go to General and we'll be having this language and region. Click it. Here we are having the preferred languages. Just click on this plus, and here we are having these many languages to choose from. So just search for the language of your choice, click it and select add, and we'll be getting a pop-up saying would you like to use the selected language as your primary language. So just click on this use, and it says your primary language has changed. Do you want to restart your computer now? Because some applications may not be using our new language until we restart. If it's fine for you, you can simply restart now. If you don't want, just click on don't restart. So in my case, it's fine for me. I will just select restart now. I have restarted my system, and as you can see, the language has been changed. If I go to system settings, the language has changed here also. This change has been applied everywhere. And if you want to change the language again, you can click on this add and do it, or else in existing languages you can simply drag and drop it to the top, and this will be treated as the primary language. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.